Hi guys, welcome to a daily market forex analysis. It's been a while since I posted one of these. I took some time off, but I'll be back to posting my daily analysis every morning, ideally before 9-10 a.m. So we'll give you a breakdown of the charts around the time London session opened. So let's get started on the DXY first of all. It's been a while since we've done it, so I'll break it down from the top to bottom. Weekly analysis. So if you go on the weekly time frame, which is here, DXY is a dollar index. We're going to chart the price between two levels, your support and resistance. So here we can expect price to reject it and go up, which it has. So now we can indicate DXY is bullish, and we can expect it to go from this level here, which it has. It'll go to this level here. So till it goes there, we can expect DXY to be bullish going up on a weekly. If you look on the daily time frame, you can see today's price action. It's got to a potential lower high previously, so it might be the case where it rejects it completely, or it forms a high low and then it breaches it later on in the week. But we'll have to wait and see. So today is the daily. Go on the daily time frame and you want to mark your zones. So here I can see there's a level here where it could potentially reject on the daily time frame, which is today. So today we're not sure whether it's going to retrace back down or if it's going to breach it and go up. We'll have to wait and see. If you go into the H4 time frame, you can also see that. Get the fib tool out if you want to. You've got you can see prices at the daily resistance. It's also a H4 resistance. So there's a likelihood where it could reject from there. Cool. So we'll have to wait and see how it plays out. However, if price does reject, we can expect DXY to go down to here, which is your retracement level 1, which is also the 50% fib. Or it could go all the way back down further and then go back up. We'll have to wait and see. But today's on a daily and a H4 resistance, so we can't expect it to go down today. If we go to, so as we're expecting DXY to go down today, we can expect Euro USD and JPY USD to be moving up, to be bullish. But before we do that, we'll go on to the weekly time frame of Euro GBP. And we'll mark Euro GBP first of all. Cool. So if we go to the weekly, I'm going to trap the price between two levels. Weekly's done. If we go on to the daily, you want your daily levels. So here I can see that there is a low high and the low on the daily. So price is currently at the daily support, and I'm assuming it's the H4 support as well. We'll wait and see. It was break the price down from daily H4 H1. So I'm currently at H4 time frame, and you can see price was close to the H4 level and now it's rejected it, potentially pushing back up. If we go to H1, going from the high the previous day to the low, so which is these levels here, and as you can see, before London session opened, these would have been your levels. These would have been your levels before market opened. As you can see, London session up, even during the Asian session, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 o'clock. This is your London session. You can see it went down all the way to minus 61. So you could have took a sell trade and made 10 pips. It wasn't a very good sell trade, but risk to reward ratio is still 2.7. However, these are your new levels now. You can see prices at H4 resistance and H1. There's a potential buy trade now. Potential buy trade. Obviously, it could further go down further, but let's just say if I was going to enter on this H1 candlestick. If you go to M15, break it down further, you can enter on here That would be your buy trade for today. And you're risking what, 10 pips to win 32. So it's a risk reward ratio 3.16. Not bad. So we'll see how that plays out if I was to enter. Go Euro USD. Remember, as I said, DXY is at potential H4 resistance. It's going down. So Euro USD is at potential H4 support going up. But we'll have to wait and see. So start the weekly time frame. You've got your H4 weekly support and resistance. You then go to the daily time frame. You can see there's a H4 level here. Sorry, daily level. I keep saying H4 daily. Now we're under the H4. You can see here's a lower high on the H4. And the H4 resistance support is here. H4 support and resistance, if you go to H1 time frame, get the fib tool out, get it from the high the previous day to the low. So these would have been your levels for today. There you go. As I said, DXY is on a H1 and H4 resistance, which means Euro USD is on a H4 and H1 support, which indicates that as a potential buy trade. If DXY is going down, Euro USD is going up. So you could actually enter on this current candle at the moment. It's made a higher low, change of structure. If you want to enter on there, you can do. If you break it down further to M15, you'll see that you can enter here. Stop loss is just below. So you're risking 12 pips to win 27, risk reward ratio 2.2. That would be your trade set for today on Euro USD. If you go to GBP USD now, start again. Start on the weekly of GBP USD. Weekly support and resistance going to the daily time frame. Here is your daily resistance. Here's your daily support. If you go to the H4 time frame, you can already see prices at H4 support. It correlates similar price action to Euro USD. So if you don't only trade one or the other, not the same, both at the same time, they have similar price action. Here's the H4 support and resistance. If we go to the H1 time frame, you can see if I get the Fibonacci tool from the low the previous day to the high. So this would have been your levels before the market opened. I'll just show you what it would have been like before London session opened. These would have been my levels. As you can see, prices breached their H1 resistance. It's gone to the minus 61 fib. It's potentially retraced back down to the H0% using as a high low. And now we can expect price to continue to go up like so again. So if I was entering a trade, I would enter on this candlestick here. And your risk reward ratio is risking 7 pips to win 17, it's 2.54. And your TP would be minus 61. So that's potential entry as well. And remember, JPY USD is going up because DXY is going down on the H1. If we go USD card, weekly support and resistance. Go to the daily time frame. You can see massive bullish candlesticks since 2nd of October, so pretty much this month for USD card has been bullish. If we get the daily zones out, could put that as a H daily zone, H4. There's your lowest previous higher low on the H4. Here is your most recent higher high. Obviously price is going to continue to breach further upwards. Forget the fib tool out. So go from the previous low to the previous high. So these would have been your levels before market opened. Obviously it's continued to go up. So these would be your intraday trading levels for today. It's difficult to say price is going to be going down from here because it hasn't for the last 10 days. So it could continue to go up, and look at that. Current candlestick, it's 1:30. CPI news has potentially just come out. And CPI has come out today because it's the 15th of October. I expect potentially to just rock it up. So I wouldn't even trade today, to be honest. It's too volatile. Well, the last pair of today is Euro JPY. So you've got here your support and your resistance. If you go to the daily time frame, you can see that this is your most recent lower high low. Go to the H4. There's your H4 support and resistance. It's currently in a slight range, so you could pull it here as well. You can expect price to continue to jump between these levels. Go to H1 time frame. These would have been your levels before the market opened today. Price is then reversed, so I'll show you. There's your levels. So if price does continue to go down and you want to enter in this current candlestick, stop loss would be just above it, or even here, and that would be a TP minus 61. That's if it continues to go down. We'll have to wait and see. But I hope you enjoyed that, guys. It was a daily breakdown of the charts of today's currencies. I will try to do this every morning before 9-10 o'clock to give you an idea where price is going for the rest of the day. Hope you enjoy that. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.